Imagine waking up to the soft sound of waves gently touching the shore. The air is fresh, the sky is glowing with the first colors of sunrise, and as you slide open the door of your camper van, a peaceful landscape stretches out in front of you. Maybe it's a quiet beach, maybe it's a mountain valley, or maybe it's a hidden forest campsite far away from crowded cities. You step outside with a warm cup of coffee in your hand, take a deep breath, and realize something special. This is your home for the journey. No hotel bookings, no strict schedules, no rush, just freedom, comfort, and the open road. Now imagine experiencing that lifestyle in a camper van that feels more like a modern luxury apartment on wheels. Today, we're taking a full tour of the incredible Adria Twin 640 SGX 60Y, a special anniversary edition created by the well-known European motorhome brand Adria Mobile. This campervan celebrates 60 years of innovation and travel heritage, and it brings together smart design, premium comfort, and practical features that make life on the road easier and more enjoyable. From its stylish exterior to its clever interior layout and innovative sleeping system, everything about this motorhome is designed to make every journey feel like an adventure worth remembering. Starting from the outside, the Adria Twin 640 SGX 60Y immediately stands out with its clean and modern design. The body lines look sleek and refined, giving the van a premium appearance that feels both adventurous and elegant. This camper van is built on the highly reliable Fiat Ducato chassis, one of the most trusted and widely used platforms in the motorhome world. Because of this strong foundation, the driving experience is smooth, stable, and perfect for long road trips across highways, countryside roads, or mountain routes. With an overall length of about 6.3 meters, the van offers a great balance between interior space and easy maneuverability. It's large enough to feel comfortable inside, but still compact enough to drive through cities or park at scenic roadside spots without stress. The special 60Y Anniversary Edition also brings unique styling touches that make this camper van even more attractive. You'll notice elegant graphics along the side panels, stylish alloy wheels, and refined exterior details that give the vehicle a sophisticated personality. But the exterior isn't just about appearance. Everything here is designed for real travel comfort. There's a large retractable awning that creates a shaded outdoor lounge area whenever you want to relax outside. Integrated LED lighting adds both visibility and style during evening camping moments. The wide sliding door allows easy access to the interior, and around the back, you'll find practical storage space for bikes, luggage, or outdoor adventure gear. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or a long cross-country journey, the exterior of this camper van is built to support the lifestyle of freedom and exploration. Stepping inside the Adria Twin 640 SGX 60Y, the atmosphere instantly feels warm, modern, and welcoming. One of the first things you'll notice is how bright the interior feels. Large windows allow natural daylight to flow into the cabin, making the space feel open and airy rather than cramped. The designers at Adria Mobile clearly focused on creating an environment that feels comfortable for long stays on the road. The front driver and passenger seats swivel around, transforming the cockpit into part of the living area. This clever design instantly expands the lounge space and makes the van feel more like a small apartment than a vehicle. In the center, you'll find a practical dining table surrounded by comfortable seating. This area quickly becomes the social heart of the camper van, a place where you can enjoy meals, plan travel routes, work on a laptop, or simply relax with friends after a long day of exploring new destinations. The upholstery feels soft and supportive, and the color scheme combines modern textures with warm tones that create a calm and cozy atmosphere. Overhead cabinets run along the upper walls, offering generous storage space for clothes, travel essentials, and everyday items. Despite the storage capacity, the cabinets are designed in a way that keeps the interior feeling clean and uncluttered. Soft LED lighting placed throughout the living area adds another layer of comfort, making the van feel just as inviting at night as it does during the day. Moving further into the camper van, we arrive at the kitchen area. In many compact campervans, the kitchen can feel limited, but the Adria Twin 640 SGX 60Y manages to make the most of every centimeter of available space. The kitchen is thoughtfully arranged so that everything you need is within easy reach. A modern 2-burner gas stove allows you to prepare simple breakfasts, warm lunches, or full dinners while traveling. Right next to it sits a stainless steel sink with a sleek faucet, perfect for washing dishes or preparing fresh ingredients. Next to the kitchen, you'll find another important part of the campervan, the bathroom. Designing a comfortable bathroom inside a compact van is always challenging, but the Adria Twin 640 SGX 60Y handles it very well. Inside the bathroom, you'll find a modern toilet, a practical foldable sink, and a fully integrated shower system. When you look at everything this campervan offers, it becomes clear why it stands out in the world of compact motorhomes. The Adria Twin 640 SGX 60Y proves that you don't need a huge motorhome to enjoy luxury travel and real comfort on the road. With its smart layout, premium materials, innovative storage solutions, and dependable driving platform, it delivers a travel experience that feels both adventurous and relaxing at the same time. This is the kind of vehicle that encourages you to explore new places, chase sunsets, and wake up in a different beautiful location every morning. Because in the end, the true beauty of the campervan lifestyle isn't just the vehicle itself, it's the freedom it gives you. Freedom to travel without limits, freedom to discover hidden destinations, and freedom to turn every road into a new adventure. If you enjoyed this tour and want to see more incredible campervans and luxury motorhomes, make sure to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting motorhome tours. Until the next journey begins, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep chasing the open road.